It's Dr. Rupy from the Doctor's Kitchen, and I am working with Tenderstem broccoli to show you some easy midweek healthy recipes that are super quick and absolutely delicious. This is the kind of thing that I want to make midweek, straight after working a long shift in A&E or clinic or wherever I am. These are the prerequisites for a Doctor's Kitchen meal. Healthy, speedy, absolutely flavorful, delicious. I've literally just looked in my store cupboard to see what I've got. And I've got some mustard seeds, some cardamom pods here, some garam masala that I recommend everyone should have in their cupboards. And I've got a veg stock cube that's going to go in a little bit later. Keep that root because that's going to keep everything together. Always use that claw technique so you're not chopping against the fingertips, always against the knuckles. Let's get these onions frying, and you'll hear just a very gentle sizzle. That's all we want. We're going to grate our ginger straight into the pan. I've washed this. You can use the skin as well. And already the aromas are just coming out of this. This is one of my favorite dishes. Kind of reminds me of when I was growing up. Mum used to make this in a big pan and everyone just used to dive in. I was actually likened to a sprig of Tenderstem broccoli in a Sunday Times article. I was told I was as vibrant and as exotic as a Tenderstem broccoli sprig. I'm just going to crush the cardamom pods as I put them in. You can put them in whole, just pick them out at the end of the meal. That's totally fine. If you don't have these ingredients, it really works well with so many other Indian sort of spices. So cumin would work really well. Even if you had white mustard seeds, that would work well as well. Or even if you had, like, if you didn't have garam masala, you had some curry. Brown rice. Now you can use jasmine rice if you don't have brown rice. I actually prefer brown rice because of two reasons. A, the flavour is unparalleled. It's got this nuttiness, this gorgeous sort of whole grain flavour, and it is actually better for you as well because it's got all the fibre and the B vitamins that are otherwise stripped away. Whilst that's cooking, we're going to get on with the main star ingredient of this dish. Tenderstem broccoli. What we're going to do is we're going to separate the stem from the florets. And I want to pepper this all over the dish right at the end so it becomes the star of the show. But with the stem, we want to chop it nice and finely and put it in at the start of the dish so it cooks a little bit more than the florets. You know, it's going to give fibre, a specialised type of fibre called prebiotic fibre, which is brilliant for your microbiota, which is the population of microbes that live in and around the body, largely concentrated in the gut. If you didn't have peas, if you didn't like peas, you could use broad beans. Even some chickpeas would work as well. 160 grams. We're going to be using coriander at the end as well. Now, a lot of people throw away the stalks of the coriander. Don't. It's a good flavour base. And we're going to leave just the flowers here for garnish a bit later. Some people like to get a jug of boiling water, crumble the vegetable stock in the jug, mix it around, and then add it to the pan. There's no need. You just need to crumble the vegetable stock straight into your pan and add boiling water. It's going to disintegrate and then it means less washing up as well. So I'm always focused on process. And then little tip, using the can, just fill it up about halfway, all the little bits of tomato out of that, all the flavour. Pop the lid on. That's going to take about 35 minutes in total. So at 30 minutes, that's when we're going to put our beautiful Tenderstem broccoli florets in. So our rice has been cooking for about 30 minutes. It's just about done. The smells are absolutely incredible. Go in with our spinach first of all, and then we're going to place our beautiful Tenderstem broccoli florets right at the top. And this is just going to steam. Pop the lid on, leave that to cook for another 5 minutes. Look at the colour difference. It is completely changed. It is vibrant. It's that dark, rich colour. And all you need to do to serve this is a little bit of your chopped coriander on top. I'm going to go a little bit fancy with some flaked almonds. That goes on top like so. A touch of chili flakes. And I mean, putting that in the middle of the table when everyone's super hungry. The star of the show is Tenderstem broccoli. It's amazing. You know you're gonna absolutely love this. Just look at the beautiful flavors.